Hello, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use the new Schoogle Docs at Mary Ellen Henderson Middle School. So let's go ahead and get started. If you simply go to MEHMS's homepage, fccps.org/MEH, and you go to Staff, if you go all the way to the bottom, you're going to notice an icon that says Schoogle. If you press on Schoogle, it will take you to the Falls Church City Public Schools Google account. Now, your username is simply going to be the username that you use to log into the school computer. For example, my username is going to be my last name followed by my first initial. So it's going to be LansB. Now, your password is simply going to be FCCPS and then your lunch number. Okay, mine is a little bit different because I'm a teacher, but your password is going to be FCCPS, all lowercase, and then followed by your lunch number or your student ID number. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to show you what we can do with Schoogle. Alright, as soon as you log into Schoogle, it's going to take you to your calendar page. You can either create calendar items, such as clicking somewhere, and you can enter what the event is. Let's say I have a test this morning in English. Okay, then you can also create a calendar name, and for example, you might want to put either tests or assignments or something like that. And this will be able to help keep you organized and almost make like a live interactive agenda, which can be very helpful. In addition, you can also subscribe to MEHMS's calendar. If you scroll down here, I actually have MEHMS's school calendar in green here. And I can turn it off, I can turn it on, and pretty much anything in green shows what's going on at MEHMS for that day. So you guys can subscribe to that too to find out what's going on for the week. In addition, you have Schoogle Documents, and this is what we're going to be using a lot in tech class. Schoogle Documents is really cool. It's very similar to Microsoft Office, like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. However, it's all internet-based through Google. So you have two different buttons right here. One is the Create button, and the other is the Upload button. Now, you can create all kinds of documents, such as something similar to a Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, a Google Excel spreadsheet, a form which can be used for surveys, a drawing which is very similar to Paint, or you can create your own folders, which is called a collection in Schoogle. So for example, if I wanted to create a Word document, I would click on Document, and then I would just start typing just normally like I would with a Word document. And I can just say, this is just a test to see if Schoogle Docs works for MEHMS. Okay? And you have all of your normal tools up here that you can use just like with Word. The only difference is that it's all internet-based online. Okay? Another thing that's really cool is that you can share different documents. So if I click the Share button, I can choose to share with only certain people by typing in their email addresses. So if I wanted to share with Mr. Spargrove, I could share this with him. Now I can also choose to share this with the world if I wanted to try to publish something. And you can also choose to make it private to only yourself. So these are a couple really neat features of Schoogle Documents. I'm going to just go ahead and click Cancel because I was just showing you this as a demonstration. In addition, I can also create a PowerPoint presentation. If you notice, this looks very similar to PowerPoint. Again, the only difference is that it's all internet-based and it's through Schoogle. So this looks very similar to a PowerPoint, but this is called Google Presentations. And I can do the same thing. I can start typing like a normal PowerPoint, and then I can choose to share this if I want to. And again, I can choose to share with specific people, a group of people, or I can share with the whole world if I want to. Okay, going back, the other neat feature is that you can choose to upload documents. So this is used to create your online portfolio, or what now called as an e-portfolio for electronic portfolio. If I click upload, you can choose either files or folders. For right now, I'm just going to go ahead and upload a couple files. So I'm going to go to my desktop because that's where I have it saved, and I'm going to find a document that I want to upload. Let's see, how about Schoogle Docs? So I want to upload this document. I can click on it and then click open. Now it's going to ask me two things. It's going to ask me if I want to convert my documents that I'm going to upload into Google Docs format. Okay, this allows you to save extra space in your Google Docs or your Schoogle Docs in your file space, because you can only upload so much. If you convert to Google Docs, then it'll allow you to have a lot more space. However, if you choose to take these off, it'll upload it as the original file. So if I want to keep this as a Word document, I can just click upload and it will save it as a Word document. Now let's say I wanted to go back and I wanted to upload that as a Google Doc. So I would come over here, click on Schoogle Docs, click open. Now I'm going to check these two boxes. Now it's going to convert my document as a Google Docs format. So I'm going to click upload, and if you notice, the little symbol changes. Here it shows me I have a Word document, and up here it shows me I have a Schoogle document. Okay, so these can be a little bit different. It depends on how much space you want to save. So then I'm going to click X, and then lastly, again, you can create collections, which are different folders to help organize yourself. So let's say I wanted to create a collection. And this collection could be for students. Maybe my students are going to turn in some work for me, or they want to share an assignment with me. So I'm going to click OK, and now I have a folder for students, and I can choose to put my different files and documents in this folder. Okay, a couple other features that you can use are things such as Google Sites, where you can create your own website. You can upload video content. Let's say you make a project and you want to upload this video to Google Docs instead of to YouTube. You can keep that here. Or you can upload it to YouTube, and you can create that file and drop it into your video collection here. And if you click on the More tab, this will give you even more types of Google applications that you can use for school. So if you notice, all of these are different really neat applications that you have access to with Schoogle Docs. So hopefully you'll be able to check these out in your own time eventually. So I hope this has been helpful to you. I hope you guys get a chance to kind of explore this on your own, and I hope you get a chance to really use this with your teachers. And most importantly, I hope you can use this as an e-portfolio. It's going to be important for you guys to keep your documents with you as you go through FCCPS up into George Mason and so forth. So this is a great way for you to be able to keep all of your assignments and some of your projects that you're really proud of into one place, and you can go to any computer in the world and access them because it's all internet based. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and I hope you plan on using Schoogle Docs and Schoogle very soon. Thank you.